two-acre garden. I grow everything organically for like 11 years now, but I also wild harvest or forage many different crops, which is became my specialty now. One of them is sea asparagus. Sea asparagus is this intertidal plant that grows in estuaries where the fresh water comes down small creeks, and it grows, at tide line. So when the high tide around full moon goes over, it refreshes it and feeds it. And the season is from end of May till now. We're mid-August now. And after that, you don't find sea asparagus fresh.
Right.
It's used by chefs in fancy restaurants, usually served with halibut or salmon, but you can also eat it raw, like make a pesto with, my favorite is with sunflower seeds.
And what kind of things do you grow in your 2-acre garden?
This year, a lot of fava beans. I actually become a bit of a fanatic of the fava beans because it sprout in the cold rain on the coast in January, February, March. So you can sprout it early and it gets to be the first bean ready. And you can make this delicious Egyptian breakfast spread with it. With that, you'll never go back to it. You'll just become a fava bean seeker after that. I have kale, always lots of kale, different dandelion and kinds of greens. I've grown sometimes 25 different crops at all.
How long have you been doing this for?
11 years.
It's important to you to know where your food comes from, I take it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And do you want to talk about your philosophy of food at all for us, briefly?
I don't believe in genetically modifying food, of course. So it's really complicated out there because the corporations, they do tell you what to eat and people believe them. And so anything you buy that is organic never have any genetically modified food, so my food doesn't have that. Always eat fresh as much as possible. That's what the market is all about, fresh. So the most fresh, the most energy you can get from the food, eating green stuff. I believe in that, really healthy. Lots of protein in vegetables. People don't really realize how much vegetable protein are in vegetables that you don't need much of else from other sources.